Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a YouTube slowdown or lagging problem in laptop in Google Chrome. So guys, if you are using laptop or PC and when you have open YouTube in Google Chrome and facing the issue that YouTube is slow down or lagging problem, so guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, when you are using YouTube like this, and guys, when you have opened your YouTube in this tab or new tab and facing that not working this YouTube, so guys, easily you can fix this. First of all, you need to click on three dots, and guys, here is the option of settings. First of all, you have to click on here is the option of system. You need to click on this tab, and guys, simply you have to turn it off. Use hardware acceleration when available. Simply you have to turn it off. And guys, after this, simply you need to click on here is the option of reset settings. You have to click on this tab, and guys, here is the option of reset settings. Simply you have to click on reset. And guys, after this, you need to open your history here. So guys, as you can see here, if not find here history, you need to click on three dots again, and guys, click on history. And guys, simply you have to clear all the history. Here is the option of clear browsing data, and guys, simply you need to clear all the data from here. And guys, after this, here is the option of extensions. You have to click on this, and guys, simply you have to turn off all the extensions if you have enabled anyone on your laptop in Google Chrome. And guys, after doing all the things, simply when you have opened your YouTube again, then guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.